So good day everyone. My name is Arjan G. Delicona and I am here in front of you to tackle all about the financial management and budgeting. But by the way, the budgeting is assigned to Miss Ronaldine Aviso. I am going only to tackle all about the financial management. So, financial management and budgeting are crucial for both individuals and organization to ensure effective use of resources, achieve financial goals, and maintain fiscal responsibility. So we all know the fact that financial management and budgeting is very crucial, especially to an institution. We cannot manage the use of financial if waray ato di kita kay mo manage ng dili ma-apply sa ato ang financial management. So, financial management is the business function concerned with profitability, expenses, cash, and credit. These are often grouped together under the rubric of maximizing the value of firm for stockholders. So, financial management is all about the monitoring, controlling, protecting, and reporting on a company's financial resources. So, di ba, for example is that the for example ko is ditong mask namo na um, medyo dako gid na kwarta ang malugwa ng institution. So meaning need ang financial need kita mo gamit ng hibaw dapat kita mo manage ng finance kay para ng ato financial kay para ma-report by financial management ma-report nato tanan mga expenses na yagastos nan eskwelahan og ma-report sab kun hain padong ang kwarta. So, there are three key components of financial management. So, financial management is a wide range of application and services, including the financial planning, investment decision, and risk management. So first, let us tackle all about the financial planning. So financial planning is the process of taking a comprehensive look at your financial situation and building a specific financial plan to reach your goal. As a result, financial planning often delves into multiple areas of finance, including investing, taxes, savings, retirement, your estate, insurance, and more. So, financial planning is the process of assessing current financial situation of business to identify future financial goals and how to achieve them. So, it is very sabotable from the word planning, financial planning. So, by these key components, your the expenses or yung kwarta na ato gamiton is yakaplan na daan kung hain siya kadto. Like for example um investing, di ba? Yeah, planado na daan siya by this key components we are guided we are guided kung hain padulong kung hain nakalaan ang ato kwarta or ang ato financial. Next is let us all tackle all about the investment decision. So investment decisions are made by calculating and evaluating various elements such as the amount of investment, interest rates, cash flows, and expected returns. So when we say investment decision, it is it is referred to the to the process of choosing where, how, and when to allocate our resources. Kung hain o kinuno og unhon typically the money hain pasingod ang ato kwarta if magkuan kita decision. So it is also the kuan it is also the abiton deciding which type of assets to invest in such as stocks, bonds, real estate, startups, commodities, and mutual funds. By this also by investment decision also it is very important gid sa ato especially when we talk about the financial typically the money. It is because kwarta ba iyaon amo, di ba? So meaning to say that by this ang ato decision is kung kita kibay lang talamang 100% dapat sa ato decision when it comes to the finance or when it comes to the financial. So Next, it is the risk management. So risk management, it is the process of identifying, assessing, and controlling financial, legal, strategic, and security risk to an organization capital earnings. So um, by risk management, guys, asan na to? By risk management, it is the process of identifying, assessing, and minimizing the impact of risk. It is a way for organizing to identify potential dangers and threats to take steps, eliminate, or reduce the chances of them happening. So, kuan ng risk management, kuan gid siya yon para siyang by applying the risk management, ma-prevent na nato ang financial losses, especially 'di ba, when we talk about financial, dapat gayud ato permi siguraduhon na um yan bitaw maka-avoid kita ng financial losses, kay dako na impact sa isa ka institution if the financial is pag may makuha na yun, may malose bitaw na financial. So I hope that you get it, guys, and thank you so much for listening.